afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today Martin has been working on this 2017 Burstner Ixeo or Ixeo, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Now this customer is a local customer and has come up to us for our very popular side indicators. These are the clear dynamic side indicators. We've also gone for the multifunction dash gadget, but the version 2 with the LED lights and a few extra features and functions, and a Thinkware Q850 front dash camera. So join me inside, I'm going to show you a bit more about the products. Okay, doke, right, so starting with the multifunction dash gadget version 2. This is it. We've done a couple of videos of this product already. Preferred location is always in the middle of the dashboard, but this particular vehicle is one of the ones that doesn't just have the older fashioned clipboard on it. It's actually a tablet style holder. Now the customer said, I've never used it as that, I'm never going to use it as that, and I want the dash gadget here. So what we have done is Martin's disabled the spring facility out of here, or spring feature, and the reason for that is because our cables are neatly taken in through here and then wired in. So the GPS antenna is located underneath the panel, and so is the fuse supply for the power. Ultimately, it doesn't really matter where this unit is positioned in the vehicle, because once it's been wired up, we then reset it to 0 or calibrate it so that things like the pitch and the roll is all level, and it doesn't really matter whether it's like that or on an angle. This new multifunction dash gadget number 2 or version 2 has got some extra features and functions. As per our first video, we've got the LED light at the front here that can offer you all sorts of different functions. We've got days of the week, we've got temperature, we've got altitude, we've got the coordinate screen, we've got the compass, and we've got the digital speed, the barometer, and date and time. So there's loads of functions. Some of you might say that's overkill, and I'm happy with the original model, but either way this is already proving to be quite popular. So as we fit more and more of these, we'll then do videos, but maybe a bit more in-depth version or video of what the functionality is. Now if Sammy can pan up a tiny bit, this is the Q850 front only dash camera, and this customer had originally asked for front and rear, but because he's got a motorhome, it's very difficult to get a cable for the rear camera in and through, and it's just simply not long enough. So we've gone for a front only dash camera. There's no rear view mirror fitted in this vehicle, so it's a really nice, neat, centrally fitted unit. And then on top of that, just to complement the kit that we fitted today, the customer's gone for the dynamic side indicators in the clear. So we'll show you a bit about that on the screen in a second. And again, if you've got a vehicle that's a Ducato from 2006 all the way up to 2024 and you fancy the stealth black or the clear dynamic side indicators, then please do get in touch with us. Website links in the bio, and as usual, thank you for watching.